Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Golden Goose and grow a Garden Beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I give you the tips to get this Golden Goose, I'm going to show you what this pet can do. Okay, I'm going to view the ability of this pet. Okay, this is so OP guys. And as you can see, every 13 minutes lays a golden eggplant that starts with the fortune mutation. It can be harvested and mutate like the other plants. And yeah, this is the ability of the golden goose. And then if you want to get it, you need to get the sprout egg first, like this. You can get the sprout egg by growing the beanstalk. You can contribute to the beanstalk growth and then you can claim the reward. And I recommend you to submit the fruits or the plants as much as you can so you can be number one and you will get the special reward. Okay, as you can see guys, I got number one. I got first place, and for this first place I got 3 sprout eggs. Okay, then you can climb the beanstalk, and one of the rewards may be the sprout egg. And I'm going to teleport to the top of the beanstalk, and here you can buy the sprout egg from the giant. It will increase your chance to get the golden goose. Okay, you can buy this sprout egg here. Okay, you can collect the sprout egg as much as you can on your garden, and one of the egg can be this golden goose. I can get this golden goose after I hatched maybe the 20th egg or 19th egg. I don't know. I do not remember. But yeah, the tips is collecting the sprout eggs as much as you can. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.